I would like to introduce this 13 by 6 from the wig. Firstly, let me ask you guys, which length of this wig do you think? Which length do you think for this wig? It looks like very long, right? I remember in one of the videos I taught you guys how to measure the hair length. But I still know a lot of people we measure the hair length from the top to the bottom, which is a wrong way, and it is a very tricky way to lie to the customers. So when you buy the wigs online, normally the vendors will tell you they measure the hair length like this from the top and like to this, and they will tell you maybe this wig is 28 inch, right? It looks like 28 inch from the top to the bottom. They will tell you it's 28 inch, but this, like I told you before, this very wrong way, just to lie to their clients. There's the correct way to measure the hair length is like this. This is the 24 inch. 24 inch. You see? This is the correct way to measure the wigs. This is the one. So some people will complain, sometimes they say, hey Hyman, why your wigs are so higher price than other vendors? They say, hey, the other vendors wigs, their long size hair are cheaper than mine. Now you know why. Because they measure the hair length like this. So the same wig, for the same wig, they can the same wig, same length. They looks like they're selling cheaper price, lower price, but no. For the same size, 24 inch, actually they can use a shorter wig because they measure the wigs like this, so they use a shorter hair of the wigs, so they measure like this. Then they say, hey, it's the same size, so their prices are much cheaper. But you know why? This is the way how they do business. So the correct way, always remember how to measure the hair length like this. This is 24. This is 24 inch, not 28. This is not like this. So the next I will show you this 13 by 6 from the wig, because a lot of customers they keep telling me that hey Hyman, can you make 13 by 6 from the wig, because they want to part anywhere, a deeper parting. When they part side, they want a long parting, even from the side, not only from the middle. Because when you use 13 by 4 frontal to make the wigs, at both sides you can only part very short. You can only do very short parting on both sides because it's 13 by 4 frontal. The length is smaller, but using the 13 by 6 frontal to make the wigs, you can pass longer on both sides, deep parting. So when they do the parting, is much better. Of course, the middle you can do 6 inch because it's 13 by 6, and both sides you can do longer. Let me show you. When you are here, this one, you see the side part is still very long. Come here, you see it's still very long, 4 inch. The side parting you can do 4 inch. The side parting is far away enough. It's enough to do the 4 inch side parting, because normally customer just do 4 inch parting. This is the 30 by 6 from the wig. For this quality, 100% guarantee, last very long time, and you can do color very well. Some people will tell me they buy wigs online which only last like 1 month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even 1 week, then they get tangled. So it's totally different material. Any unit you make must make sure the material the material, the raw material is perfect, it's good, and after you make it into the new unit, it can last very long time. But this, do you like this volume? This volume. This one. You see the bottom. It's very natural. This, I always use the nano comb, this one, and to brush like this, very smooth. Nothing. And when I will just pull the hair like this. Sorry, I put it very hard. Like this. I always do like that because I'm very confident with the hair. This, I just pull the hair very hard and it will not fall because of material. But if you use the material which is cheaper, lower quality, you do the way like I just did, you will just damage the hair. But this material is very high quality. This is the wig. So I also want to let you guys to see the knots. You see the black knots here? You see here? The reason why I let you guys to see the black knot because I want to show you a different item to compare with this one. This one is the new item we make. Is very transparent. Very transparent. This. But I will show you this item. I will show you the knot. You see? You cannot see the knot. Hey, it costs that time and money to invent it. They invest making this item. This one is soft. A lot of people keep asking me to make this for them. So you compare. See again. It's a black knot. And you see this unit. It's very, very natural. Very natural to your scalp. This. So all these lace are just like this, without any knot. We're making more stock for this one. We're making more stock for this one. Just passing this information. But the main thing for this video is to show you the 13x6 frontal wig. Then you don't need to worry that you cannot make deep parting on both sides. Now we're making more and more, and a lot of customers are requiring this now. So I think it's better for me to take this out for you. This is the band to secure the wig, to make it you see, it's very elastic, this band, like this. Show you the inside of the wig. See, this is the cap. This is the cap we use, and this is 6 inch. So on both sides it's still very, very long. Both sides, you see, this is a side part. It's still long. It's I think it's. Let me measure it. At the side part is like, I think it's It's more than 4 inch here, but when you cut, it comes to the edge. Yes, 3. But when you do parting, you can do here 4 inch, more than 4 inch. The middle is, in the middle is 6 inch. So another side part is for more than 4 inch. So when you do the parting, you have, when you do the parting, you have enough space. Even you make a V shape, U shape, different parting. It's enough space for you to make it. So I love this wig. This one. This is the one. And the smell is very nice, very natural smell. This one. Okay. So in the front, these are the baby hair, and it's all pre-plucked. It's all pre-plucked. And these are the baby hair. This. So this is the wig. I want you guys to see. I think it's number 1 online. You can compare. Okay, I will see you in the next video.